Yeah, people, you don't know. We're there again, Reggae Vibes Media, the world media. And today, this evening, tonight, we're going to talk about one of them long outstanding issues, the problem there. That's something that way. You know, everybody would have liked to know what really did go on. When I talk about what really did go on, I talk about with Bob Marley and the Wailers. You don't know, Bob Marley and the Wailers consist of Bunny, Peter Tosh, and Bob Marley. Zin. Alright people, before we start the video, I'm going to check out that song here by Anthony B. Hot spot. So, you know, over the years, you know, we're born and just come here about Bob Marley, and while we grew up we hear about Bunny. You know, Bob Marley and the Wailers, they will learn about Bunny and Peter Tosh and get to learn, say, before Bob Marley, there was a group, you know what I mean, that consists of 3 of them, and them used to do music. Seeing this is from in the 60s, sometime around them time there. Right? So, you don't know. In this day and age, Bob Marley them, you know what I mean, big artists, top artists, well renowned in the world. You know what I mean, Peter Tosh them still do them thing, you know, Bunny Wailer them still do them thing. You know, the ones them have music and, you know, recognized sounds out there. But these are the issue. Zin, so a little earring go on, and when you hear about earring, you know it's court settings. Zin. So big up Copeland Forbes, yes, the former manager of Peter Tosh. Zin. So this man a rubbish the long-standing claim that Chris Blackwell, Zin, the founder of Island Records, Chris Blackwell, this man destroy the Wailers group. So over the years, you know what I mean, we hear that because something they go around and I say, Chris Blackwell, the man there, he mash up the thing because there was more interest in Bob Marley as a ethnic colored, I would say more look like, you know, him not black, so he would have better for market. No, that get rubbish, that get fling in the bin. It's not like that. Nothing like that. Zin, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Watch out now. So this man pinpoint out Bunny Wailer was the true cause of the group breakup. So Bunny Wailer was the true cause of the group breakup. Zin, yeah, and we know say them man they from them time they, you know what I mean, Denham Town, them radical, you know what I mean, as Rasta is a radical set of individuals them, so you know the thinking different than them something there. Zin, but watch out now. During a recent interview where Forbes is also promoting a book called Reggae My Life Is, Zin, Forbes tell we say Bunny fancied himself as the intellectual center of the group. So Bunny see himself as the brighter man, the man who have the sense, the man who have the head, and them something there. Zin, yeah, he was the intellectual of the group. You know, Peter was the erudite. You know what I mean? He used a word ERUDITE. Erudite. Zin. And, you know, him say Bob Marley was the smartest one out of the whole of them. Out of all of them, Bob Marley was the smartest one. So, you know what I mean, the whole thing get rubbish. I know Chris Blackwell mash up Bob Marley and the Wailers. Zin, Bunny Wailer are the one who decide say, here what, I love that thing here, you know. Because we don't know what go on. Because watch out. Them first tour in 1973. Zin, them go on them first Catch a Fire tour. Zin, and Bunny Wailer, Bunny are the one who initiate the breakup in a man. Zin, this is where Chris Blackwell. Zin, this is where Mr. Forbes. Yes, this is where Mr. Forbes. I make you know. Zin, yes, Copeland Forbes. I make you know say Bunny are the one who initiate the breakup. Because the misunderstanding of tour support. Him not understand how tour support go. And you don't know how it go. For you go in a country tour support, you go get a receipt like or a document where I tell you say, here what, based on the places them where you go, the amount of work where you do, this is how you're gonna be compensated, or this is the amount of money where you're gonna get. But Bunny never did really understand that something there. So Bunny decided say, man, jump out. Zin. So Bunny also they try influence Peter for quit. Cause you don't know I'm bridging them. Zin and it seems like Bunny never did too. I'm not gonna say that like Bob Marley, but it's like him there looking and say, boy, you know said coming like Blackwell favor Bob Marley more than we, so never want to be a part of that something here, you know, because it look like that go better for Bob Marley than we in the long run. And you know how people think. You see me, I say, you know how the brain works. You see me, I say, most you can't think, but you don't have to believe what you think. You see me, I say, yeah. So, right there and then, I make Peter know, say, here, bro, we need to love out that thing here, you know, because right now, it come like a Bob Marley alone, I go benefit from that thing here. So, right there and then, Ivan, Zin, this is Peter's girl now. Peter Tash's girlfriend. I said, no, babes, continue the work, see me. Zin, want to put in the work. You see me, I said, don't drop off because I want a little simple misunderstanding and them thing there. So, right away, Bunny just lift up in the car. Bunny and say, here what? It's like when alright, we do have go around, I say, you know. See, it's like when I see where Blackwell I try to do two ways. See me, I say, but Forbes in this time I make the people them know, say, no, Bunny, you see me, I say, Bunny did this. Now, no understanding how I really are going. From like him, couldn't understand what I go on, because I know the man them must try explain to Bunny and make him know, say, listen, this is how the procedure of things go. Zin. But yeah, man a man, and every man of them, you see me, I say, I'm own choices to make. So Bunny decides to leave. Zin. So, on a US tour now, coming up on present US tour, did go on where, you know, Blackwell did have to link up. You see me, I say, Mr. Forbes, they have to link up Joe Higgs. Zin, yeah, you know that artist there. Yeah, man, Joe Higgs. You see me, I say, for fill in for the missing Bunny. Because you don't know the fans, them come out and look for see Bunny Wailer and I say, yeah. But when them forward out, there was no Bunny, but the show did have to go on. It did have to go on. Zin, yeah, so without Bunny, you see me, I say, them they have to go on with the show. I remember, you know, management I say, boy, man, eat it and the man in him feeling, so, you know, it take a couple of days. You see me, I say, so we're going to see what I go on. We're going to see what I go on. Couple show, couple days pass, him not call. So, you don't know management, I say, alright, then might be the next show, he might show up or he come a rehearsal. You know what I mean? Bunny not show up none at all. So right there and then, you know, like the man must say, boy, Bunny make up his mind, you know. Seeing Bunny done with me, you know what I mean? Bunny don't want to be a part of this anymore, so the show have to go on. Zin, so in March 2021, Zin, Bunny Wailer, manager, Maxine Stowe. Zin, the singer never feel good, because this is what she said. The singer never feel good, you know, Chris Blackwell. Erase. You see me, I say Bunny and Peter Tosh name after the collaborations. And just put Bob Marley name and them thing there. So, Bunny never did sit well with Bunny. You see me, I say, but, you know, man, the Wailer never did feel good for no say Chris Blackwell fling off them name and you know, Because them have rights to these things. Them have legal rights to these things. I remember for them material and for them energy. So them have legal rights to all these things. So it feel away. See? But Mr. Forbes dismiss these assertions. Yeah man. Dismiss these assertions. Cause watch you now. The man say a lie. Because the name where the eye them I use, in the name I use long before. The name I use long before them meet Chris Blackwell. Then the name I use from in the 60s, you know what I mean, 60s, 67, 66, 67. And the man them na meet Chris Blackwell until in the 72. Then when them they go up on this England tour and them did stranded, and I guess, you know what I mean, this was the only way out. Or this man provide some farmer, you know, help. So this is when they met this man. So them they have the name long time. I use the name long time, and you can see say it's not Mr. Blackwell place for change man them name and them type of thing and do all of these things. Then so right there and then the man can know say listen a lie. Forbes, yeah, I met Miss Toe know say I lie that. You know what I mean? Man, them have the name for a long time. From, you know what I mean, 1660, 1670, you know what I mean? Him about 1660. Yes, from 1966, 1967. The man them are run with them name and I go on with themselves and I use them thing. And, you know, they meet Chris Blackwell and the man them decides to them run forward with that thing. But I guess ego get in play and Bonnie just decides, say, here what? Can't deal with that thing, you know. You know, I and I don't want to be a part of this thing, so I and I gotta leave out this thing. See? So, in a memoir, in Islander, My Life is Music and Beyond, which was released in June last year. See? Blackwell had also denied the assertions that he sidelined Bonnie Wailer and Peter Tosh in favor of Bob Marley. See? Because the gangs were half white. Come on now, man. The English music producer who turned 85 in June described the accusation as untrue and misdirected. Nevertheless, Zin, being a white man, understanding the misgiving Peter and Bonnie had about him during the antecedents of other producers. So, them experiences when them have with other producers, them just fling it on Blackwell and I say, boy, Blackwell come on and come do the same thing, yeah, man. So them just backlash the man too. Zines, them just everything in a one part. You see me, I say everybody had the same damn thing. Yeah, man. So, you know what I mean, Bonnie never feel well with that, Zine. And when I really check it out, you know, the Blackwell, I make know the boy Peter Tosh didn't even like him, you know. He suggested I favored Bob Marley because Bob Marley was half white. So, you see when I say people, you know what I mean, Bonnie and Peter Tosh them, you know, sit down and conspire and pray. You see me I say, and yet still again, when I really pray the thing, you could have really go down that way the toe. Yeah, man. So, for people, if you are just hearing my voice, I just forward over here, so it would have nice if you subscribe. You know what I mean? Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when time we drop any new video or any new nothing. Zine? Yes, some RVM community. Yeah, my people, man, who not join the community yet. Yeah, just subscribe over there, so. Anthony B, the one Anthony. Yeah, the one named Hotspot. You need to check out that new track. You see me I say? Yeah, man, for the new album, Bread and Butter. You see it? Anthony B, yeah, man, Bread and Butter. I like the name where you choose for the album you took. Bread and Butter. Who don't know Bread and Butter? Sugar and water. Come on now, man. Alright now. Yeah, at the Hotspot. Yeah, man, right inside the Hotspot to get the latest info. Also about reggae music and dancehall. You see it?
Me step out in a dark shade. Go anywhere, go on the high grade. Remember, man, no coward, we born brave. We no born afraid.